if you can reduce all forms of production inefficiencies? Reduce capital investments by maximizing the use of existing assets rather than acquiring new ones. Hi, I'm Gary Kenny, Customer Success Manager at Link3D, and today, let's talk about how maintenance management helps minimize quality issues from your production floor. By having a maintenance management solution integrated with your production scheduling system, teams can better manage expectations and resources available for production planning. With that said, maintenance management should help organizations assess the ROI and service level of each machine and its manufacturer by tracking and analyzing the machine uptime and solutions used to fix the issue. This could include machine failure and recovery date. Was your internal engineer able to fix it? Did you have to make a call to the machine manufacturer's help center for remote service? Did you have to host a field service engineer to get the 3D printer running again? What was the machine downtime reason? What was the solution used to fix the problem? By understanding the time and effort it takes to get printers up and running again, tracking and tracing the solution based on the machine and the printer's manufacturer makes it easier for organizations to better understand the ROI per machine and the level of service they are receiving from their suppliers.